I'll tell you a few two difficulties which we face generally in while typing in WhatsApp group. So I'll open one group and I will show you. I will tell you what are those difficulties. The first difficulty is the group may have hundreds of people and you need to address someone. Yeah, the group can have multiple people with same names like Amit, Kishore. So they can have multiple people with same name. So how do you address them? Okay, and how do you insert a number between a chart between a chat? Suppose, for example, if I type here, please contact Kishore, and then say it may not necessary that everybody knows Kishore in the group, or even in a group you can have multiple Kishores. Okay, so you want to include a number beside it, or you want to tell exactly which Kishore you need to contact. So that is a difficulty. You have to you need to go to add contacts, and then you have to search for the Kishore and then do all this stuff. I'll show you a simple way how this can be resolved. Okay, and second thing I will show you is how to reply a very old chart. Suppose your friend has messaged you some 2 days back, and after that on the top of them after that you got lot of messages and you want to reply to the old message. So how do you do that? So I will take you to I will share you how these two can be easily resolved. Okay, so now let's start with the first one. Okay, so how to address people in groups. Suppose say if I want to add if I want to say please contact some person's name. Okay, so instead of writing the person's name, if you just go and click on at the rate of. So can you see as soon as I click at the rate of it, all the group members are being shown. So I'll select this Kishore. See now how it looks. Please contact at the rate of Kishore DNV. So everybody will come to know which Kishore to contact, or people who don't know Kishore also will come to know by clicking on this Kishore. So this is a very helpful tip which I found in groups while chatting in groups in WhatsApp. And the second one I will show you how to reply a message which is uh, went above. Suppose say for example you want to reply this to this message. So this was sent some few days back, and now I want to reply. So if I just say Kishore, the note was very good. So instead of addressing that, you can just reply to this message saying, just clicking on that for a few seconds, and then there is a reply icon at the top. You can see here there is a reply icon at the top. The after the one, you can see reply icon. Okay, just click on the reply icon and you can say good information. I will say good information, and just I can now I can say Kishore because the person who posted this was Kishore, but instead of Kishore I will say at the rate of, then I will select the Kishore's name. So now if I send this, see how it looks. It says this, it is replied to this particular message, and when you click on that it will take to that message. Okay, and then if you click on Kishore DNV, it will take you the Kishore's profile so that people can see who is this Kishore. Okay, so these are some couple of tips which are generally helpful when chatting on WhatsApp. If you like these tips, click on the like icon, click on the thumbs up icon, and subscribe to the channel to get more tips like this. Thanks. Thank you for watching this video.